I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to report an issue on the Maps app of your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up the Maps app. Once you have your Maps app open, just scroll to a place that you found an issue. Let's say it is here, and I'm going to tap and hold to create a little pin drop, basically. Then we're going to click the More option, which as you can see on the right-hand side here is the three dots that say More, and then you can click Report an Issue. And here you can basically say the entrance location on the map is wrong or the address is wrong. Once you click on one of these, you can add some details, you can add a photo, you can add a comment, and once you do, I'll just put test here. They will require you to take a photo, so let's just take one. We'll use that. And you can't really put it in the middle of the street, you have to put it to a direct location. So once you do that, you put your picture, put in your comments, and then you can click send and submit that issue. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.